care of.
Oh, okay.
My dog was barking
Because of the snow?
because of the police.
Oh, okay.
With the lights, and he came up to the door. He could see me inside looking at him, so
Yeah.
he came up to the door and told me what was going on.
Yeah. Actually, we didn't have snow at all on the ground. Like 2 days ago.
Right. Yesterday there was no snow.
It's the big snow.
Yeah, big storm.
Yeah.
That's why everybody yesterday was going to the grocery store. They have to stock up, get lots of food before the big snow comes. You can see some people are out.
Yeah.
They'll get it all cleared off. It'll stop snowing in about an hour, and then they'll get all the roads cleared. You know, in the next, I don't know, by this afternoon.
Wow. So, do you actually work today? Today is not officially.
So it's not officially a day off. A lot of people are working, but I work construction, so I make my own schedule.
Oh, okay.
So I wasn't planning on working at all this week because Angie was coming home.
Oh, okay.
And it's hunting season.
Hunting?
Yeah, deer hunting.
Yeah, in winter.
Yes.
Oh. Have you ever shot gun?
Oh yeah, shoot. I've shot probably 40 different deer.
In your life?
Different weapons.
Okay.
I was in the military, so I shot machine guns.
Oh, you went to military?
Hand grenades, rocket launchers.
Okay.
All that stuff.
Wow.
My brother builds guns, assault rifles.
Oh. So do you have a gun at your home?
Oh, everybody does in Wisconsin. Everyone in Wisconsin probably has. There are more guns in Wisconsin than there are people.
Why?
Probably 2 to 1.
I saw the sign that it's illegal to bring guns into the building.
Only certain buildings. Most
like
buildings,
school, or
right,
like bank or something like that.
That's why people who want to hurt people,
Yep.
they always go to places where signs are like that.
Oh, okay.
Because they call that a soft target. If they walk into a regular store and they start shooting people, somebody like me or somebody else might pull a gun out and shoot them and stop them.
Oh. Oh.
So when they go into like a movie theater,
Yes.
it says no guns allowed in here. They walk in and start shooting everybody because there's no guns allowed. Or schools.
Yeah. Especially school. Dormitory. Yeah.
Easy targets.
Yes. Oh.
I think they do it because they have like video games. Show people shooting people all the time.
Yeah, that's right.
And they're taught.
They cannot realize the reality.
Right, and in school we're taught that we're just animals.
Yeah, that's right.
Not human souls. That's why I think you need to teach people that we're human souls and we're created by God in His image.
Yeah.
That way that people will feel bad when they take a life, not like, I killed a dog.
Yeah.
I killed a cat, I killed 5 people. It's all the same to them.
Oh. It's awful.
Yeah. It's very sad.
Yeah. But I like here. I never heard of even like gunshot here. I saw some news from Korea that like especially like school, like high school.
Yeah.
Sometimes like children bring guns and then kill many people. Yeah.
Like probably 3 times a year a student will bring a gun to school. And that's 3 schools out of thousands.
Yeah.
So it hardly ever happens.
Yeah.
But when it does happen, it gets reported as very serious.
It is. Do you do hunting too? In winter especially?
Yeah. People like to hunt when it snows out because you can see the animals better.
Yeah.
It's easier to see them. It's fun.
Yeah, that's right.
I mean, it's not fun killing things, but it's fun hunting.
Yeah.
The killing part's sad.
Yeah, it is sad. Then what, do you eat deer?
Yes.
After after hunt the deer?
Yeah, you kill it and then you hang it up, let it bleed out. Field dress it.
So do you manage everything?
Yes. Start to finish.
Oh.
That's the way I was raised. Some people aren't, but I was raised a lot of wood. What would you say? Woodsman ways. The ways of the woods. We trap animals for their fur and hunt and fish.
Can you invite me when you go hunting?
Deer hunting's a little harder, but other kind of hunting's easy.
Yeah, like rabbit or squirrel.
When I was little, I used to always go rabbit hunting. Is this
Yeah,
where you need to go?
yeah, here it is. Yeah, the shuttle will come here 8:17.
Well, looks like
But I can wait inside the building.
you got 25 minutes.
Yeah, thank
Good
you.
deal.
Yeah.
Super. I hope you have a good trip.
Yeah.